Hello guys. Nag-drive lang ako dito sa may new road ng Pawa, Tamauyan. Nakita ko yung foreigner na palaging naglilinis ng daan. So nandito siya ngayon. Tinawag niya ako kanina. Nagtitinda siya ng ice candy. Mamaya punta natin mamaya. Sir, do you sell that ice candy? I have video here. Is it okay?
Yeah, no problem. You know it.
Oh,
Yeah, I have nothing to hiding.
okay. Can I buy one?
Yeah, mango buko.
Buko.
One buko.
Oh, buko.
Okay.
Say hi to my camera.
A big
Why-
size for a reasonable price.
Oh,
12
oh, thank you,
pesos.
thank you. Oh, why do you sell this ice candy?
No, I did it before starting the problems on the Legazpi Boulevard every day.
Yes.
Yeah, toen the pickpockets steal my wallet and the money was gone. Dus we must stop it. And now, last Sunday we starting again. And every afternoon I standing now.
Also, you sell every afternoon here in New Road in Tamauyan.
Yes. And in the morning I do my volunteers work. I clean the whole area all nearly 10 weeks.
Oh, so where do you live?
On the moment by relatives in San Joaquin.
San Joaquin. Oh, so I buy this. For how much is this?
12 pesos.
12 pesos. I give you 200. So it's
Thank you.
okay. It's
God
okay.
bless
it's
you.
okay. Thank you, thank you.
And I'm every day here. Yeah.
I can
But I
buy.
say volunteer in the morning. I have cleaned here the whole area. Was 10 weeks ago a mess here. Yes.
I can buy you here every day.
Okay.
Thank you, thank you,
friend.
thank you.
Take care. God
Bye bye,
bless you.
bye bye, bye bye.
Bye-bye.
So yun guys, nagtitinda si Kuya ng ice candy. So yun yung lilinis daw siya ng daan palagi dito sa New Road. So nagkaroon daw siya ng trouble somewhere in this Legazpi Centro. Nawalan daw siya ng wallet. Wala lang. Yun lang, share ko lang. Nagbigay lang konting tulong. Yun lang, thank you.